So, today is Saturday.
Louder.
Louder.
It's far. What do you
Yeah, it is Saturday and today is sunny day here.
Sunny Saturday. Everyone's probably at the beach or something.
Definitely. Loads of people are going to the beach
Or on holiday.
or on holiday to enjoy the lovely sunny day.
You know, weekend getaway.
Yes.
Ooh.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. It's past 1 p.m. here and it's Saturday. I hope you all guys are having a wonderful Saturday wherever
Enjoy
you
the
are.
Weekend.
Yes, I hope you're enjoying your weekend with your family or with yourself, doing the things that you love doing.
And today is
Day 34 of the 90-day challenge.
The topic is
the importance of
having
quality family time.
Whoa!
So yeah, it is really important. Quality family time is essential for building strong relationships, fostering communication, and creating lasting memories. So here are some reasons why it is important and with some examples too. So number one is bonding and connection. So spending quality time with family allows for deeper bonding and connection among family members. For example, having regular family dinners where everyone gathers to share stories and experiences can strengthen the bond between parents and children. I know it's not really, you cannot do it every day,
but you know, some days.
But at least once every week, you can do this dinner time together with all the family members because it's really important to have bonding and connection.
Number two, emotional support. Family time provides a safe and supportive environment where members can express themselves openly and seek emotional support when needed. For instance, having dedicated family game nights or movie nights can create opportunities for family members to unwind, relax, and connect emotionally.
Yes.
So have a family game night.
Yes,
every week or something.
Every week or like every other week. Sorry guys, because your feet is always moving. Sorry. Yeah, have a family game nights or movie nights every weekend or whenever you are complete and you are available.
We used to.
Yeah, they used to have a siblings family game night. Yeah. So number three is teaching values and life lessons. Family time offers valuable opportunities to impart important values, traditions, and life lessons to children. For example, engaging in activities like cooking together or volunteering as a family can teach children the importance of cooperation, empathy, and giving back to the community. Yes, it's really good to engage them in cooking and in some household chores to teach them values and life lessons, right, Kirsten?
I'm forced to do it. No one else stops. Number four, creating positive memories. Quality family time allows families to create cherished memories that can last a lifetime. Whether it's going on family vacations, attending special events together, or simply spending a lazy Sunday afternoon at home. These shared experiences contribute to a sense of belonging and happiness within the family.
Definitely.
Go on holiday.
Having a family time it creates positive memories for a lifetime. That's why every weekend, even though we're not complete, so we make sure that the three of us are going out or just staying home, watching movie, or taking a walk or exercise or having a road trip. Yes. And or do some things at home together. Number 5 is supporting mental health. Well, having regular family time has been shown to have positive effects on mental health and well-being for both children and adults. For example, studies have found that children who have regular family meals together tend to have lower rate of substance abuse, better academic performance, and higher self-esteem. So supporting mental health, having quality time supports mental health for the children and family.
Number 6, it helps strengthen communication skills. Family time provides opportunity for open communication and healthy conflict resolution, which are essential skills for building strong relationships. For instance, having family meetings to discuss important issues or concerns allows family members to express their thoughts and feelings in a supportive and respectful manner.
Yes, that's why it's really important to have family quality time, because it strengthens communication skills and the conflict resolution, because you can discuss important issues or concerns.
Your opinions.
You can voice out your opinion with whatever is present. So overall, guys, the quality family time is invaluable for nurturing healthy relationships, promoting emotional well-being, and creating a sense of unity and belonging within the family unit. So investing time and effort into building these connections can have a long-lasting benefits for individuals and families alike. So guys, those are the importance of family quality time, and hope guys, no matter how busy you are, make sure to have a quality family time every week, because it's really important for the family all together. Right, Kirsten?
Yes.
So
everyone's old, getting older.
And besides, your children are not there with you for all year through, because they are growing, they grow up and they will go
have their own
family, build their own family, and it's really good to have your family quality time so you can share the values with them, and then they can share those values with their own family too. So it's really good to spend quality family time with the family. So guys, I hope you are able to get some knowledge from what we shared today.
And plan your family.
And yes, no matter how busy you are, plan.
One more thing, if you're interested in what we're doing,
yes,
check our websites.
Check our links, because we are doing this to share this life-changing opportunity. Because doing this business
will give you more family.
Yes, because this
especially
business
for all those young parents
is flexible. It runs in automation. Training is in video form, so you can do it
and
in your available time. So that's the reason behind our 90-day challenge. It's because we want to share this life-changing opportunity to everyone. Parents, single moms, stay-at-home mom, and whatever professions you have, you can do this business, guys. So you can check this out and sign up and watch our complimentary information session on our links, www.rosalampiloquio.com and
www.kirstenampilocchio.com.
And hope to see you in the inside. And yes, check
Have
this
a
out.
great
Have a
week.
great weekend and a lovely Saturday with
See
your
you
family.
soon.
See you. Bye. Thanks for watching.